Okay. Who will read it for me first? Alicia. Alicia Musani, please open your microphone
Okay,
and read
ma'am.
first MCQ.
Choose the correct option. When a volcano throws out magma,
Throws
it
out
is throw out magma. It is said to be
active, dormant, extinct, tsunami.
it
Which will be the answer?
dormant.
No, it is active because it is just throwing the magma out right now. Okay, so it is an active volcano. Okay. Next, question number
Okay,
2.
ma'am.
Yes, Dania. Dania, open your microphone.
Active
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading the second one.
Which of the following has not an erupted
Erupted. Erupted, beta.
erupted for the past several years?
Huh. Mount Etna, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Tanzania, Barren Island. Yes, can you give me the answer? No? Anyone?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
Iman?
Iman. I'm waiting for you only. Yes?
Yes, ma'am. Which one? Number second one, no?
Second, yes.
Which of the following has not erupted for past several years? Mount Etna, Mount Kilimanjaro, Mount Tanzania, Barren Island. Answer is Mount Kilimanjaro.
Kilimanjaro. Yes, Kilimanjaro. Because it has given in examples that dormant, okay, that is not erupted but will erupted. So, but will
No, no,
erupt. And Mount
no, it's right
Kilimanjaro
answer.
is very good example of it. So, it is Kilimanjaro. Okay, now third one.
Okay, ma'am. Can I read Muskan?
No, I will say, okay, I will say, Bojani, who is Baijan
Can I?
Bojani? Is Baijan
Ma'am, can I
Bojani,
pass my
open your
number?
microphone. No, I'm saying the name. Okay, Baijan Bojani, open your microphone. Who is this with new ID? Okay. Firoz Malkani?
Ma'am, can I? Muzammil Sarman. Ma'am, can I Kulsum? Fatima? Ma'am, can I Muskan?
Okay,
Hello.
yes,
Ma'am, Kulsum.
yes,
Ma'am,
Kulsum.
can I Kasman
Kulsum.
Ifat? Ma'am, can
Okay,
I
wait a minute.
Mehreen? Can
Okay,
I Kasman Ifat?
everyone be quiet. Don't waste time. I will give you. Okay, I will give name. So you have to open. Okay, you don't have to say. Can I? Okay, I'll just give the name. Okay, yes.
Yes, ma'am. Number
Number
three.
third.
Yes. Equal
Weaker.
earthquakes. Weaker earthquakes called dash of 10 follow a strong earthquake. Number A. Force. Number B.
Focus.
Abyss.
Focus.
Focus. Focus. Number B. Abyss center.
Epic
After
center.
Attic center. Number C. Aftershocks. Number D.
Magma.
Magma.
Okay.
Answer is number 2.
No, it's not number two. Who will reply me?
Ma'am,
Muskan,
can I?
reply me.
Yes,
Muskan.
ma'am. It is aftershocks.
Yes,
Aftershock.
it is aftershock. Aftershock means I told you the weaker earthquake which is
Yes, ma'am.
followed by strong earthquake. मैंने आपको बोला था पहले strong होता है फिर छोटे छोटे
Yes, ma'am.
earthquake होते हैं उसको छोटे छोटे earthquake को aftershock कहते हैं.
Weaker को
Okay.
aftershock कहते हैं.
Yes,
Ma'am,
weaker
can I
earthquake
read
means
number
छोटे
4?
छोटे.
Mahreen.
No, I will give
Ma'am,
you the
can I
name.
read?
Okay. No, I will give you the name. Muzammil Sharmali, open your microphone. Sharmali, open your microphone. Muzammil Sharmali, open your microphone. Can you hear me? Okay. Sirat Wakil. Wakil Sirat Fatima, can you open your microphone? Uren Malik.
Ma'am, can I say the name?
No, beta. I want Uren Malik.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 4.
Ma'am. My name is Faiza, but
Okay, yes, Faisal Malik. Yes, okay, doesn't matter.
what, ma'am?
Fourth one.
Okay. An earthquake, the quake under the sea, can often set off.
Read, read. Option A.
Option A. After stock.
After shock. Option B. Why you're waiting? Why you're just wasting time? Read it fast, beta.
Option B. Lol number C.
Volcanoes.
Volcano.
The option B is volcanoes, beta.
Okay. Number C.
Is
Ma'am.
tsunami. Tsunami.
Tsunami. Number D. Dot.
Drought. Okay, can you answer me? And
Yes. Ma'am. Number A.
no, it's not number A. Earthquake that occurs under the sea is called.
Ma'am, can I marry?
Yes, Marine. Yes, Marine.
Ma'am, answer is a tsunami. Number C.
Yes, number C is tsunami. Yes, as I told you that earthquake that occurs in sea is called, and then after earthquake the tsunami comes. Okay, occurs. So this is called as tsunami. Okay. Now, Salik Mia, open your microphone. Salik Mia, open your microphone.
Ma'am, can I Muskan?
No, beta. I want everyone to answer.
But
Okay,
ma'am,
Sakina Rajani Sakina. Sakina Rajani.
yes, ma'am.
Sakina, open your microphone, okay, and start reading the fifth one. Yes, start reading, beta.
Sakina. Yes, ma'am.
Start reading. Where are you?
A long drive
Period.
period of insufficient
Is some insufficient.
or no rain
Okay. Option A. Start reading.
after showing
Aftershock.
aftershocks volume
Volcano.
volcano
Tsunami.
tsunami
And last is
strong. Ma'am,
drought.
this is answer D. Wrong.
Okay, drought. Okay. So
Yes.
along dry period, please Iman, don't say in between. Okay, I'll take the name and then you have to say.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am,
Okay.
Muskan has raised the hand and Martin has.
Okay, I want Kashmani Kashmani.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, with answer. A long dry period of insufficient or no rain is called aftershock, volcano, tsunami, drought.
Tsunami.
No, you don't know? No,
Tsunami.
it's drought. No, it's drought. Drought is called dry period, okay? जिसको गुजराती में हम दुकाल बोलते हैं, राइट? कि जब बारिश नहीं होती तो दुकाल बोलते हैं इन गुजराती, एंड इट इज नॉन एज ड्राउट इन इंग्लिश. Okay, we'll move to the filling the blank.
Ma'am, I was not speaking. Ma'am, first, can I?
Okay, okay, Iman.
Ma'am, can I Muskan?
No, no, you had finished, beta. So now, Iman, start reading second one. Sorry, first one. Filling the blank first.
Fill in the blank with the correct word. Dash are crack in Earth's crust through which magma comes out. Option number 1, earthquakes. Option number 2, volcanoes.
So,
So,
answer will be
I think it's volcano.
yes, is good. Correct answer. Volcanoes are the cracks in earth crust through which magma comes out. Okay. Yes. Now I want Takshir Fatima to reply the second one.
Yes, ma'am.
Read.
A dash volcano is not erupted to erupt in the future.
Okay. Yes. A dash volcano is not expected to erupt in future. Dormant, extinct.
Well, I think dormant.
No, it is extinct because dormant will expect. Dormant volcanoes are expected to erupt in future. Okay. Dormant volcano बोलते ही इसको है कि जो पहले नहीं हुआ है बट फ्यूचर में होगा. तो इसको डॉर्मेंट तो ऑप्शन तो होगा नहीं. तो एक्सटिंक्ट वोल्केनो बताओ. एक्सटिंक्ट वोल्केनो जिसको बोलते हैं जहाँ फ्यूचर में भी नहीं हुआ और पास्ट, सॉरी, फ्यूचर में भी नहीं होगा और पास्ट में भी नहीं हुआ है. जस्ट एज शो पीस. It's called extinct volcano. So extinct volcano will be the answer.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, for third one, can I Muskan?
Okay. Start reading.
Third one. Yes, ma'am. Third one. The dash of an earthquake is measured using a seismograph. Option first, strength. Option 2, duration. Answer is strength.
Strength. Yes.
Yes,
Good.
ma'am. Strength. Thank you, ma'am.
Now last one. Who will do it? Read it for me. I want.
Ma'am, can I Mahreen?
Wait a minute, beta. I want Ismat Nayani to open the microphone. Ismat Nayani, open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, start reading number 4.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, your screen is not. Yes. Trees can get
Uprooted.
uprooted during a dash earthquake. Strong.
Answer will be strong, weak. Yes, very good. Strong. Because of strong earthquake, the trees are getting uprooted, coming out from the root.
Uprooted during the strong earthquake.
Okay. Now, just it is like one word answer question. Okay. So I want Sheikh Ryan.
Ma'am,
Sheikh Ryan.
ma'am, it is Lubna.
Yes, Lubna. Lubna Sheikh, open your microphone.
Ma'am,
Yes.
Muskan has raised hand.
I know that, beta. I want Lubna to answer. Lubna, are you there?
Ma'am, the Sheikh Rayan Kulsum has raised her hand.
Okay, Zuhair Raujani, open your microphone. What is your name? Zuhair Raujani. Yes.
Inshia.
Start reading number 1. Very short question answer.
Okay, ma'am. The point under the ground where an earthquake begins.
is called, just we have to give answer in one word.
Okay,
The
ma'am.
point where the under the ground. Okay, we are talking about the underground point. It's called. मैंने समझाया था पता है आपको और थ्रो करके ऐसे. This
Yes,
is the
ma'am.
point is here and the other point is here. This is the underground point and this is the overground point.
Ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Who will say?
Ma'am, can I Muskan? Ma'am,
Yes,
Sunam.
Muskan.
Ma'am, it is
No.
focus. Focus.
Very good. Yes. Focus.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good, Muskan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Focus. Focus. You know the top here is called. You know this is the earth. The underground point is called focus, and the overground point is called epicenter.
Epic center.
Okay. Now the point of the
Ma'am,
surface
can
of
I?
the earth, which is
Ma'am,
directly
can I
above the
Mahreen?
focus.
Can I Muskan?
Ma'am, can I Mahreen?
No, Muskan, no Mehdi. I want. Who is Baijan Bojani? Who is Bojani?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What is your name, beta?
Musabbeha Pochani.
Okay, Musabbeha. Start reading the second one and reply me the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
फटाफट बेटा.
Yes. The point on the surface of the earth which is directly above the
Focus.
focus.
It's called. मैंने अभी समझाया.
Yes, ma'am.
मैंने अभी समझाया आपको. Just before a
Can I
second.
tell?
Ma'am, can I Mahreen? Ma'am, can I Mahreen?
Can I initial?
No, I don't want Muskan, Mehrin, Iman to answer. I want
Ma'am, can I
another girl
initial?
to open. No, okay, yes, Cynthia.
Ma'am, Epic Center.
Yes, Epic Center में. Yes, मुसब्बिहा आप कहाँ थी? Where were you? जब मैंने
निशा
अभी
मैम,
समझाया अभी.
निशा मैम, वो जो
Yes.
मुसब्बिया था ना, उसने बोला था एपिक सेंटर.
तो मुझे क्यों नहीं सुनाई दिया?
और मैम मेरी बारी खत्म हुई ना, फिर तुरंत वो आई.
Okay. This is called Epic Center.
मैम मैं बोली थी आंसर.
Okay, मुझे नहीं सुनाई दिया. Sorry about it. Okay. Yes. Now, huge waves set off by an earthquake under the sea is called. मुझे कौन आंसर देगा? मुझे ये India. India, open your microphone. India,
Can I?
where is India?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Oh, give me the answer of third one. Huge waves set off by an earthquake under a sea is called.
Ma'am, I know Mahreen.
No, I don't want you to Mehrin to answer. I want.
Can I tell, ma'am? Ma'am, Sunam. Ma'am, can I?
Very good. It's really very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now we have to read. We have to give the answers of. Okay. Okay. Now off your microphone, beta. Okay. Now I want Iman to answer number one. To answer me the number one question.
Okay, ma'am. Short question set and short answers questions. Question number one. Define a volcano name. Define a volcano. Name the three types of volcanoes.
Yes, you have to define me. What is volcano?
Ma'am, volcano is that the volcano is like a mountain shape.
Crack in no. It you can say it crack in earth crust.
It is cracked from also, and the three volcano name like Kilimanjaro volcano.
No. Types of volcano. I'm not talking about the examples
Ma'am,
of.
can I Muskan?
Yes, Muskan.
Ma'am, you tell to me. Volcanoes are cracks in the earth crust. There are three types
Okay.
of volcano. First, active volcano. Second, dormant volcano. Third is extinct volcano.
Very good.
Thank
Now
you,
I
ma'am.
want second one to reply by Meherin. Meherin, आप please तुमने दिया ना किसने दिया मुझे जवाब? Meherin ने दिया ना? I want Muskan to
Yes.
answer number 2.
मैम
What is
मैंने
seismograph?
अभी दिया
Yes.
मैंने मुस्कान फर्स्ट
Okay.
आंसर
Now I want Meherin. Meherin.
मैम कैन आई गिव
Yes, ma'am.
मुस्कान
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Start question number 2. What is seismograph?
मैम देन आई विल गिव आंसर मैम आई कम 1 minute huh? I was going मैम कैन आई गिव
Yes. Start. What is seismograph?
मैम कैन आई मुस्कान
No, Muskan.
Ma'am, I
Muskan,
was
you have
not
just
there in the
answered now.
lecture when you were explaining this.
Okay. So I want now, who will answer me? I want Tasveer Fatima to open the microphone and
Sorry,
give the
ma'am.
answer. What is seismograph? It's okay, beta. That's why I'm doing this exercise. So if you are not present, you can get the idea. Okay. Now, Tasveer Fatima. You there? Okay. I think so. There is problem in his network. I want Kulsum Alwani to open microphone and start reading. What is a seismograph? Yes. Iman, will you reply me the second one? Sorry, first part, yeah, second one.
yeah ma'am I
Yes.
will
What
tell
is
you
seismograph?
yes ma'am you tell my name no Kulsum
Yes, Kulsum. I have taken your name, but you wasn't replying, so I passed on to Iman. Kulsum, you want to reply me?
ma'am yes which question I will give
Second
answer
number.
yes ma'am I reply tell me ma'am मैम कुलसुम को आंसर देना है वो बोल रही है
Okay, yes, Kulsum. Iman, don't answer me, okay? Kulsum will answer.
मैम you tell me निशाद मैम
Yes,
excuse me निशाद मैम
let Kulsum give the answer.
excuse me निशाद मैम
Yes,
मैम ईमान मुझे ना कॉल कर रही है बार बार
Iman. If you will call, her link will not been connected. Okay, so please don't call.
okay
Yes, Kulsum, start answering.
yes ma'am what is a seismography seismography is after smoke
No, it is not. It is a device to measure the. Yes, Iman, answer do. Chalo.
ma'am of number second one or first
Second one.
okay ma'am 1 second my, Just a second. Okay, ma'am. Question number 2. What is seismograph?
Seismograph, beta.
Seis-
Seismograph is a device from where you can
Just a second, I was-
measure the strength of the earthquake. Okay, so measure the strength of the earthquake is measured using instrument called seismograph. Okay, now what is epicenter?
Ma'am, can I
Yes,
Muskan?
Muskan.
Yes, ma'am.
Muskan.
The point on the surface.
Yes, the
Question
point on the
number
surface
third.
of the.
Question number 3. What is an epicenter? Answer. The point on the surface of the earth which is directly above
Above the
the
focus.
focus is called the epicenter.
Very good.
Thank
What
you,
are
ma'am.
the impact of the earthquake? I have given three impacts. First, the building and vehicle get damaged. Okay.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
second, trees get uprooted. Okay.
Ma'am,
And the third is people and animals get trapped or crushed under the falling object. Okay. Those are the three impacts of an earthquake.
Okay, ma'am.
Now fifth one. What can we do to remain safe during the earthquake?
Ma'am, can I understand?
Now I want Alisha Musani to answer. Yes, Musani, Alisha. Alisha? Okay, maybe she left. Malkani Rifat, you joined recently, right? Malkani Rifat, open your microphone.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Can you give me the answer? Number 5. What can we do to remain safe during earthquake? I have explained you when you are indoor what you have to do, and when you are outdoor what you have to do.
Ma'am, we go to open ground.
Yes, when you are out you can go to the open ground. Yes, but what we have to do if we are indoor? If we are inside the home, what we can do?
Ma'am, I don't know.
Okay. When you are in home, who will reply me? कौन
Ma'am,
बताएगा
can
इसका
I
आंसर?
Muskan? Ma'am,
Yes, Muskan.
ma'am, we are in indoor now. We have to stay away from heavy object.
Okay. And we can go under
Yes,
the.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. And we have to do not to touch the glass because it will be injured.
Yes, and
It
we can
can.
go under the strong bed or desk
Yes, ma'am. And
to get
we
protected.
don't have to scare. We don't have to scare. We have to go open area, and we have to go at heavy bed or shelf that.
Desk. Yes,
Yes,
desk.
ma'am. Desk.
Okay. When you are indoors, what you have to do? You have to stay away from the heavy objects and glasses, and we can go under the bed or desk. Okay, to protect us. Okay. But when you are outdoor, you can go to the open ground, and you have to take care of falling objects. Okay. These
Okay,
two
ma'am.
are the three questions. Now this is long answers. Okay, describe the volcano. So in this we have to describe. Okay, totally whole volcano. What is definition of volcano plus types of volcano here on this long answers. Okay. First you have to define and type. You have to write everything. Okay. In second, how earthquake happens. You have to write the whole process how earthquakes happen. Okay, so you have to write everything in earthquake. You know the part is 106 page number earthquake. You have to